Welcome! In this video, we'll walk through a boiler plant initial start procedure, step by step with safe startup checks and the correct sequence. Step 1 is to review the previous watch logbook. Look for abnormal conditions, alarms, repairs, or special instructions left by the previous operator. Next, perform a full walkthrough inspection of the boiler plant. Check the boiler, burner, feedwater system, deaerator, pumps, fuel train, combustion air system, valves, drains, vents, controls, and safety devices. Before starting, verify the water level in the boiler and in the deaerator. A safe water level is critical. If the level cannot be confirmed, do not start the boiler until the condition is corrected. Place the boiler feedwater pumps in automatic operation if required by plant procedure, and confirm they are ready to maintain water level. Line up the fuel system according to the approved startup procedure. Verify valves, safeties, and burner controls are correctly positioned before ignition. Confirm the steam side valve lineup. The main steam stop and non-return valves should be closed. The boiler vent should be open to remove air, and the free-flowing drain should be open. When pre-start checks are complete and conditions are safe, turn the boiler control switch on and allow the burner management system to perform purge, ignition, and light off. After light off, closely monitor water level, steam pressure, flame condition, draft, feedwater response, and alarms. Warm the boiler gradually to reduce thermal stress. During startup, verify the water column and gauge glass are clear and responding properly. Blow down the water column, gauge glass, and low water cutoff test connections as required. Keep the boiler vent open during early warm-up to remove air. Once steam is forming and the boiler is properly vented, close the vent according to procedure. As the boiler approaches header pressure, open the bypass around the main steam stop valve to warm the steam line. Close the free-flowing drain once the line is warmed. When boiler pressure and header pressure are nearly equal, slowly open the main steam stop valve. Then place the non-return valve in service. Bring the boiler online only when boiler pressure is slightly above header pressure. After the boiler is online, continue monitoring pressure, water level, feedwater operation, combustion, and steam flow. Confirm the boiler is carrying load smoothly and automatic controls are functioning properly.